Hello everyone! Today, the 1st of January 2025, we decided to do a walk up Wye Creek. This walk is not very well known by the visitors, but as you can see behind me, and there are no filters, the views are absolutely spectacular. The purpose of this video is to show you the views that you will be rewarded with after a little bit of walking. Stunning view, as you can tell. Here behind me are the views that you see from the second waterfall, but let's see how do you actually reach here. The start of the Wye Creek walk is a little bit past the turn for Jack's Point. It will be to your left. It will open suddenly, so you need to watch carefully. You need to park at the bottom. There is a car park, and then the first part of the walk is going to be quite flat, just like this and under the sun. This is the second part, which is covered mainly. That second part is a little bit steep, so some experience in going uphill is required. After about 40 minutes of climbing, you're going to reach to the first waterfall. The waterfall is in the middle of beech forest, which is New Zealand native trees, and it's an excellent place to relax before you continue on to the second part. Once at the waterfall, turn right. You will see this pipe. This is where the road continues. You need to climb onto that pipe. There is a little track, just like this one here. This track will continue to the second waterfall. If you're a little bit scared of heights, this might not be for you, but the railing is quite sturdy and the views are absolutely incredible. And we have arrived. Behind us is the waterfall. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful walk that we did on New Year's Day. Look forward to showing you another walk soon. Bye!